Hey guys, it's Penguin Ice Cube, and today I'm at IKEA with these two little goofies. Come here! Move, bro. I'm with Erin and Reese, who have been in previous videos before. Go watch them. Bro, shut up! Go watch the videos we're making and pumpkin. So, pumpkin! I think we should go inside.
I've got a fear of these because like what if it just stops and then the ears opens? Then I'll
The white stuff.
I have cake. Don't need any more, but I want more.
What about you? You love Bluey? Oh, okay.
Sadly, there's no blue cake.
What did you want, Chips? What do you want? Wait, you ready? Are you filming? What? We are trying. Put your phone on silent, boy. Turn it off. What are we trying? Food. Food from To Ikea. Okay, Reese came up with that. He's got. We're giving credit. Plant meatballs. What have you got?
Cheesecake.
Cheesecake. And what have you got? Chips.
And cheesecake.
Are we all gonna try it? Oh my god. Get close on mate. Well, are you ready? You're just taking some. It's pretty darn good. Let's hit some of the mash.
The mum's mash. So you got the mash.
I did the mums.
It was a great card. What's that? Look.
How come you say that?
Mommy not mad at you. Mommy not mad at your baby.
You let JoJo see when she was singing.
You're still a traitor. Yeah, you are still.
Why are you so bad?
Keep blushing.
Okay, that's one tomato from McDonald's. That feeling the same piece of toilet paper on my toilet seat. I didn't go because of that. Is that what you need?
Yeah,
Oh my god. I don't feel so good. Put your hand up and speak to her.
right, look at them two, See how much it fits the aesthetic, and then look at me.
Harry Potter. A single mom who works 2 jobs alone.
The average Erin art lesson.
my artwork. I drew that.
I drew the ones with the blue frames.
That's probably one of my best artworks.
I do landscapes, Erin does portraits.
I was thought Andrew Garfield was hot. I would have Andrew Garfield hiding under him. Bro, shut up. Fortnite bones.
Rock on.
That's a cool jacket. Being a peeping Tom.
Have to guess the color of your underwear.
Yeah,
Look at the IKEA drip, bro. Look at that drip. Wow. Wait, turn around.
This is my room. Welcome.
room.
This is my abode. I sleep in there. You were.
Insane. Come on, guys. My mama won't pick up. IKEA is the place where you meatballs in my face.
Oh, I thought it was like.
I feel like I could just slide down. It's like a little slide.
Wait.
I'm actually terrified. Wait. I'm gonna fall.
my god. Oh my god, there's so many of me's. Oh, I want one of these in my bedroom. Guys, you're actually just embarrassing me.
Fucking.
Oh, you can't ruin my image. Time to wrap up the video. We got a 85p veggie dog, and I hope you liked the video, and I hope you have as much fun watching it as we did shopping. So I will see you next time. Bye bye.